My name is Anna. I am 36 years old. I need to tell this story because it still lives inside me. I was married for 12 years, and I believed I had a family that would last. I wake up early every day. I make tea. I pack lunches that are no longer needed. The house is quiet now. It was not always like this. Before, the mornings were loud. Plates touched, feet moved fast. Someone always forgot something. I miss that noise more than I can say. I met my husband when I was young. We were both working. We did not have much money, but we had time. We talked at night. We shared food. We shared small dreams. I believed that was enough. I believed love stayed strong if you tried. After we married, life became busy. We had children, two of them. I stayed tired. I stayed hopeful. I cooked. I cleaned. I worked part-time. I waited for weekends. I waited for smiles. Sometimes they came, sometimes they did not. My husband changed slowly. Not in one big moment. He came home later. He looked at his phone more than at me. His answers became short. His eyes moved away when I spoke. I told myself it was work. I told myself all marriages feel like this. I tried harder. I woke earlier. I slept later. I kept the house warm and clean. I listened when he talked. I stayed quiet when he did not. I believed silence was better than fighting. I believed patience would save us. The children felt it too. They asked fewer questions. They played quietly. They watched us with careful eyes. That hurt me the most. Children should not learn silence so early. One evening, he did not come home. I waited. I checked the clock again and again. I checked my phone. No message, no call. The tea went cold. The children fell asleep on the couch. My chest felt tight. I told myself not to think bad thoughts. He came the next morning. He said he needed space, just space. He said he was tired. He said he did not know who he was anymore. I listened. I nodded. I did not cry. I did not ask him to stay. After that, he left more often. Days passed, then weeks. His clothes stayed, but he did not. His chair stayed empty. His cup stayed clean. I still washed it. The divorce came quietly. Papers on a table, pens moving, no shouting, no tears from him, just tired faces. I felt like our life ended without a sound. When he moved out, he hugged the children. He said he loved them. He promised to visit. He kissed their heads. Then he walked away. The door closed. The house felt too big, too empty. The children asked when he would come back. I said soon. Then I said I did not know. Then I stopped answering. I held them at night. I felt their breathing slow. I stayed awake. Life after divorce is not loud. It is quiet. You notice small things, the way socks pile up, the way dinner feels lonely even with 3 plates, the way silence follows you from room to room. I felt angry, then sad, then nothing. I moved through days like a shadow. I worked. I smiled when needed. I cried in the bathroom where no one could hear me. One day, I found an old note in a drawer. It was from him, from the early days. It said he was lucky to have me. My hands shook. I did not feel lucky anymore. That was the moment I understood something. He did not leave in one day. He left little by little, and I stayed hoping he would come back, but he was already gone. I stopped waiting after that. I stopped saving his cup. I stopped keeping his side of the bed. I started to live in the space that was left. The children grew stronger. So did I. We made new habits, Friday movies, Sunday walks, simple food, simple laughter. It was not perfect, but it was real. Sometimes I still feel the loss. It comes when I hear rain at night, or when I see couples holding hands. I let the feeling come. I let it pass. I do not hate him. I do not love him the same way. I accept what happened. I accept that some people leave even when you give them everything. Now, when I wake up, I make tea again. I drink it while it's warm. I look at my children. I look at myself. I am still here. We are still here. A family can be broken, but it can still breathe. Like a house with open windows, we let the old air out and learned to live again.